Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So in my last video, I showed you how my DJI Mini4 Pro crashed to a building during a night time due to signal loss. So you guys were excited to know how much did I spend to get my DJI Mini4 Pro repaired, and also you guys were excited to know how can DJI Mini4 Pro crash when it has a omnidirectional sensor on it. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how my DJI Mini4 Pro crashed and how much I spent to get it repaired and where did I get it repaired. So this video is going to be very informative and very useful for you guys. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video, guys. So guys, firstly, you guys were interested to know how can a DJI Mini4 Pro with the omnidirectional sensor can crash to a building. So let me tell you guys, if you have a DJI Mini4 Pro, or if you're planning to purchase the DJI Mini4 Pro or DJI Air 3 which has a omnidirectional sensor, then you need to know that this omnidirectional sensor does not work in the night. You need to be extra careful while flying your drone in the night. And if you ask me, how did I crash my drone? So I was flying close to the buildings. If you take a look at the video, if you haven't checked the video, please do check out the video. I'll add the link in the description as well as in the I button. So you go check out the video, you'll get to know how it got crashed. So guys, basically it got crashed because of the building when it went to the opposite direction of the building, and then there was a signal failure between that. And as I told you that this obstacle sensor does not work, and I feel that RTH was set somewhere around 60 or 70 meters. That's why it went and hit to the building and stuck on the ceiling. So I would suggest you guys, if you are flying at the night time, ensure that your return to home altitude is set to more than 120 so that it can tackle the buildings or trees around it, and it can return to home if there is a signal failure. Other than that, you guys were also interested to know how much did I spend to get this drone repaired. So let me tell you guys what were the problems after the crash. Firstly, the problem was with the sensor. Second problem was with the gimbal clamping here. Third issue was with the arm. Arm was completely broken, we had to replace it. So if you guys ask me where can we get it repaired, so there are two options, guys. Either we have to reach out to the local repair center, or secondly we have to send our drone out of the country. As we know that in the DJI we don't have authorized DJI repair centers. So ideally the solution would be reach out to the local repair center, or you send your drone out of the country where DJI repair centers are available and get your drone repaired. So I went to the first option. I reached out to the local repair center at the Bangalore, and he really did a great job by replacing the entire arm, front arm, and then he replaced the clamp, and this resolved the gimbal issue as well. But he also tried hard to just get this sensor thing resolved, but sensor had a small scratch on top of it, and he couldn't resolve it. Then he handed over the drone and paid him almost 12,000 rupees to get these two things done. So after that, let me tell you, this sensor had a small scratch, and whenever we used to fly the DJI Mini4 Pro, we used to get a error message saying that there's a obstacle behind the drone and we need to fly it very carefully. It was a irritating error all the time when we fly a drone. So ideally we had to switch off the sensors and fly the drone. But if we switch off the sensors, we cannot use the special features that are available on DJI Mini4 Pro. That is a downside of having the sensors disabled, guys. So that was actually irritating me all the time when we were used to fly DJI Mini4 Pro. Then finally we decided to send our DJI Mini4 Pro back to Dubai and get it repaired from the DJI center. So we sent our drone back to Dubai, and there it was handed over to the DJI repair center, and they checked the logs and they were unable to find the logs. The conversation went for almost 2 months. They asked for the last footage that was captured on the DJI Mini4 Pro before the crash, and we shared that, but still they were like, we cannot confirm that this is from the DJI side, and you have to pay for the whatever repair cost. They asked what might be the cost of the repair. Then they told that it will be approximately 28,000 to 30,000. Then we actually told them the issue was from the DJI itself. It was due to the signal failure, and they told that we cannot confirm that. So after a lot of conversation and to and fro moments, then they decided to give a 60% of discount on the repair price. Repair price was somewhere around 28 to 30,000. On top of that, they gave a 60% discount. That means we had to pay 8,000 rupees. As soon as we agreed on that, drone was repaired within 2 days, and it was ready for the pickup. And from there, one of my friend's relative picked it up and sent it back to India. So here is the drone with fully repaired. So totally spent was like around 12,000 in India to get the gimbal clamp over here and the arm, and 8,000 in Dubai to get the sensors replaced. Sensors were fully replaced, and it was calibrated with the motherboard, so it is entirely new now, and we can fly it anyhow. I have tested it various times and there is no issue. It's like a brand new one, and even I think serial number and other things got changed. I'm not sure whether DJI has replaced the drone itself or they have only replaced the sensors. So not sure on that, but it was a great service from the DJI. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll be in the next video. Till then.